Whispers gently, home in my heart. Soft light on water, such a perfect.
Welcome to this guide meditation for deep sleep. Find the comfortable position in your bed, lying on your back with your arms resting gently by your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allowing each breath to bring you into a state of calm and relaxation. Let's begin by focusing on the sensation in your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness down. Scanning each part of your body for any tension or tightness. As you become aware of this area, consciously relax them. Feel the muscle in your forehead soften, your jaw unclench, and your shoulders drop away from your ears. Allow this wave of relaxation to flow down your arm, into your chest, and through your abdomen. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. With each breath, imagine that you are inhaling peace and tranquility, and exhaling any stress or worries. Let's go at the event of the day and any thoughts about tomorrow. This is your time to rest and rejuvenate. Amazing warm, Soothing light beginning to glow at the top of your head. This light is present for relaxation and serenity. As it slowly moves down your body, it's bring with a deep sense of calm. Feel this light travel down your face, relaxing every muscle, easing any tension in your eyes, your chest, and your mouth. Allow the light to flow down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness. Let the light continue its journey down your arms, your chest, and your back. Feel your torso become heavier and more relaxed with each breath. As the light moves down to your hips and legs, let go of any remaining tension. Feel your legs shake into the bed. Your feet completely at ease. Your whole body is now enveloped in this warm, relaxing light. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene place. This could be a beach at sunset, a quiet forest, or a cozy cabin in the mountains. Picture every detail of this place. The colors, the sound, the scent. Feel the sense of tranquility that comes with being in this special place. Know that you are safe, calm, and complex at peace here. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, repeat the flowing affirmation silently in your mind. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. drifting into a deep, restful sleep. Allow this affirmation to resonate within you, filling you with a sense of calm and security. Just that your body knows how to relax, and that you are capable of a deep and restful sleep. As you drift closer to sleep, let go of any need to control your toes or your breath. Simply allow yourself to be. Surrender to the smoothing rhythm of your breath and the comforting weight of your body sinking into the bed. Know that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment. In a few moments, I will leave you to continue your journey into sleep. Remember that you are safe, you are loved, and you are deserving of this time to rest and rejuvenate. As you drift off, carry with you the peace and calm of this moment. Sweet dream and restful sleep await you.
Exhale.